Learning English, Advanced Vocabulary, Homophones and Homonyms. Welcome to our English language learning video series on advanced vocabulary. In this video, we will focus on homophones and homonyms, which can often be challenging for English learners. Understanding the differences between these words will enhance your language skills and help you communicate more effectively. Let's dive in. Homophones and homonyms are two different types of words that often confuse English learners due to their similar pronunciation. However, they have distinct meanings and usage. Homophones are words that have the same pronunciation but differ in meaning and spelling. For example, there, and there are homophones since they sound alike but have different meanings and spellings. Homonyms, on the other hand, are words that share the same spelling or pronunciation but have different meanings. For instance, bat can refer to a wooden club used in sports or a nocturnal flying mammal. Understanding the nuances between homophones and homonyms is crucial for effective communication and preventing misunderstandings. Now, let's explore some common examples of homophones. To is a preposition indicating direction or purpose, like, I'm going to the store. To means also or excessively, such as, she ate too much cake. And to represents the number 2, like, I have 2 cats. Here refers to a location, like, come here. Here refers to the act of perceiving sound, such as, can you hear me? Piece refers to a portion or part of something, like, I want a piece of cake. Peace represents harmony or absence of conflict, such as, we need peace in the world. Let's move on to some examples of common homonyms. Bank. It can refer to a financial institution or the edge of a river. Ring. It can mean a piece of jewelry worn on the finger or the sound of a telephone. Bark. It can signify the outer covering of a tree or the sound made by a dog. Understanding these homonyms will help you comprehend different contexts and meanings when encountering such words in conversations or texts. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our English language learning video on homophones and homonyms. By distinguishing between these words, you can improve your English proficiency and avoid potential confusion. Keep practicing and expanding your vocabulary to enhance your overall communication skills. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.